And my real-life couple, Jake Ernesa and RK Pangitsin. Okay, so sila naman yung speech. Sir JP Abellera, come up the stage, please. Yes.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Wala naman kaming hinandang speech pero gusto lang po namin kayong pasalamatan sa oras nyo at sana po magustuhan nyo, papanoorin nyo and eventually maikalat nyo po ang napanood nyo para sa mga mahal nating magulang sa buhay at so far, yun lang po. Hindi ko na po matatagal. Ito po si Jake Ernesa.
Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa inyong lahat na nandito ngayon. Sobrang malapit sa puso namin itong movie na to and we're just really, really proud na kami ang napili nilang Ayla and Pao and si Callie is here with us and we're just really excited to share this movie and the message that this movie has sa inyong lahat. Yun lang. And thank you again.
Tayo.
Again, congratulations to the cast of Child. May we request our filmmaker to come forward to receive the certificate of recognition. To present this certificate of recognition, we would like to call on the Artistic Director of the Cultural Center of the Philippines, the President of Cinemalaya, Ms. Loris Guillen, Chairman of the Film Development Council of the Philippines, Jose Javier Reyes, and Cinemalaya Competition and Encore Chairperson, Carlos Guillen. The citation reads, Cultural Center of the Philippines and Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated presents this certificate of recognition to Jonathan Urilia, Director, Love Child, finalist, full-length feature film given this 5th day of August at the Cinema 2, Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, Macapagal Boulevard, corner Asiana Avenue, Parañaque City. Signed, Dennis N. Marasigan, CCP Artistic Director, Chris V. Villato, Cinemalaya 20 Festival Director, Carlos Sigion Reyna, Cinemalaya Competition and Monitor Chairperson, Loris Guillen, Cinemalaya President, KC Tina, CCP President, and Antonio O. Cuaco, Cinemalaya Foundation Chair. Photo ops for our cast.
To you our film called Love Child. We are beyond grateful for Regal Entertainment to partner with us in making this film happen. This is even more special since this is also the first time for Regal to do a Cinemalaya film. Hindi pa siguro dumadating sa naming boss, but let me introduce to you Ms. Rosel Monteverde, who executive produced this film with Sir Keith Monteverde. Ms. Rosel Monteverde is the daughter of Mother Lily Monteverde, who we lost yesterday. Yesterday, we lost a pillar who opened the doors to so many people in this industry. This film is her love child. Let us offer a moment of silence to an icon, Mother Lily U. Monteverde. Nakikiramay kami sa kanyang pamilya and maraming salamat sa pagpapahiram ninyo sa kanya para sa industriyang ito. Now, let me introduce to you the director of Love Child, my literature professor in college. A father who made a film that serves as a love letter to his wife, Rebe, to his daughter Naya, and most of all, to his son Oyen, Sir Jonathan Aurelia. Director Jonathan Aurelia.
Hello. Okay. I'm one of those people who dreamed of becoming a filmmaker when I was young. But due to very limited resources, I decided to forgo the dream. But what happens to a dream deferred? To quote the poet Langston Hughes, does it dry up like a raisin in the sun, or fester like a sore and then run? Does it stink like rotten meat, or crust and sugar over a syrupy sweet? Maybe it just sags like a heavy load, or does it explode? For me, the answer to this one is all of the above. There were plenty of moments in my life when this dream of becoming a filmmaker, although forgotten, would come back, linger, and fester like a sore. It stank and sagged like a heavy load. Even as I got older, I started a family and reached the point of retiring from employment. The dream remained.